Okay everybody, today I'm going to try to turn my scooter into a flatbed. I'm going to try to add this flatbed deck to it. It kind of hooks on like that. So I need to start on this side because to show you how it's going to go in there, but this piece has always been broken and that's what's under the plastic part of the footrest on the other side. So that's the only part I can get to hook the chain in for the turnbuckle to tighten the chain. I kind of bent that hook straight so it'd fit in there. So I'm gonna add a few links to this chain to make it longer. There we go. Let's just see if that's long enough. Yep. I'll tighten the turnbuckle down. I'll get it too tight yet until I get the other side. The only thing that's kind of weird is the seat sticks up too much. Let's see. Now, I can promise you I did not put that hole there, but it's going to be perfect to stick this in. There we go. So I think I got it on there pretty solid. I think I forgot to mention, I picked this up on vacation when I was in Vietnam and I paid 10 bucks for it. Put it in my biggest suitcase. It barely fit. That allows you to get under your seat or someone else to ride with you. I actually had wider ones, which I wanted to get, but I knew it wouldn't fit in my suitcase. I would like that to sit more flat, but there's really nothing I can do about it, easily anyway. So I think that's just the way it is. But yeah, I didn't think 10 bucks was too bad for that. And this works on almost all the bikes that they have. But their racks are usually a little bit different. Their racks usually come out and are level with the seat for some reason. That's, I'm guessing, why the thing doesn't work on the seat. I don't think they have this model of bike in Vietnam. They do have Kymcos, but they don't have this agility scooter. I've never seen it. So it's not exactly the greatest flatbed, but I think I can still haul stuff and strap stuff down to it. And you can still ride a second person by flipping this up. Now I'm gonna go get a couple air conditioners because that's the reason that got me thinking I could use this, because I'm working on the Smurf house and it's getting a little too warm in there. I'm gonna go pick up a couple ACs from the storage unit. I don't know if we can carry them both or not. Let's see. Okay. That's got it. Okay, here we are. We can haul 2 air conditioners on it. Small ones, I guess, but I guess they could have been a little bigger. So that worked well. While I'm on the topic, I'm gonna move a couple of more things, maybe some tires. I'm gonna go ahead and put the air conditioner in. I understand this is a piece of junk, but I may need to cut that a little bit. Okay, I'll cut 1 inch of it off. See if it fits. I almost got it all the way in, but it's good enough for now. Next time I take it out, I'm just gonna trim a little bit off that. Let's see if we can get some cold air coming in here, because I'm a little hot. Okay. I realize that's a piece of junk and it's not put in there very well, but I only put that in there, and I take it out when I leave, but I only put that in there when I'm working in here. Okay, so I didn't like this just being stuck in the side of this because it was kind of slowly working its way out. So what I did was I bent this back like it was before, and I'm going to try to hook it around that part. I can show you on the other side, but let me just get this one done first. I'm going to drill a little hole here. Hopefully that's in the right spot. Yeah. Now that's going to be hooked around that where it cannot come off. I still need to make the chain a little longer though, because that took up a lot of that bar. I'll do that real quick. Okay, so put 4 links on. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll see if that's long enough. Oh, we can drag that up with some. Okay. It works a lot better because the turnbuckle is on that side of the bar, so it's easier to turn. I was thinking of different ways to do it, so I had these pieces, which ended up deciding not to go with that. So this one's easy because there's no plastic, but that's the idea right there. Well, this one still interferes with that bar, but it's okay. Much better though. So that's all there is to it. And that's definitely not going to come off. The only way that'll come off is if I want to take it off. Okay, now I can haul some tires. I think 2 at a time is okay. Oh! Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me this was loose? There we go. There we go. So thanks for watching, everybody. I got more mobile home videos coming, so stay tuned. I just had to get that AC hooked up because it was getting real hot in there. So look forward to some new videos on mobile homes. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.